Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the rear sunshade on your Toyota Avalon. Many owners experience issues with this feature, often due to a small, brittle plastic gear inside the motor assembly. While some attempt to replace just the gear, the most effective and lasting solution involves replacing the entire sunshade assembly. Attempting to repair individual components can be challenging and often does not provide a permanent fix, so we will focus on a complete replacement for reliable operation. To begin, you will need to access the sunshade assembly. Start by removing the rear seat bottom cushion, which usually just pulls up. Next, remove the rear seat back by unbolting it and lifting it out. Then, carefully detach the C-pillar trim panels on both sides. Finally, unclip and remove the rear deck trim panel, making sure to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as for the third brake light. With the rear deck panel removed, you can now access the sunshade assembly. Locate the mounting bolts, typically 2 to 4, and carefully unbolt the old unit. Disconnect the electrical connector before lifting the old sunshade out of the vehicle. Now, carefully position your new sunshade assembly into the opening, ensuring it sits correctly. Securely fasten the new unit using all of its mounting bolts, typically 10 mm. After securing the new sunshade, reconnect its electrical connector. Then, carefully reinstall the rear deck trim panel, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. Next, reattach the C-pillar trim pieces. Finally, place the rear seat back and then the bottom cushion back into their original positions, securing them as needed. Test the sunshade several times to confirm it extends and retracts smoothly and completely, restoring your rear visibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.